What up, y'all? It's your boy Spiff, and we back with another Most Spiff production, man. Where our main motto is moving forwards and not backwards. So y'all already know what time it is. So, let me start off by giving y'all an update on the rap. I know I told y'all the next video my rap was gonna be done, but it's not. It's almost done, but it ain't. The sides are done, but we still waiting on the material for the hood for some reason. For some reason, it ain't came yet, but he finished the sides for me, and it is fat. I'm loving it. I wish I could show y'all, but I'm gonna wait until it's completely done, and I'm gonna just show y'all all at one time. But I just pulled up to this car meet out here in Hendersonville, a few miles right outside Nashville. So that's what we getting ready to do right now. So let's get out and check out some of these cars, man. Ho, now, ho. Now y'all know, I almost slipped up. I almost slipped up and showed y'all the rep. I almost slipped up. But y'all know before we get out this car, what we gotta do first? We got to have a spiff check. We got to have a spiff check. Oh, boy, that spiff check. One more again. Bam. Okay, let's roll. What do we have here? This is our thing. Man, that thing clean, man. I'm loving it red and black. It's something about when something trimmed in black. Just give it a different look. Chevy SSR. Oh my God. Look at that, man. It's too nice. Yeah.
Bye, Olivia.
Try to look at this junk. I don't know if y'all done seen my first video, but when I went down to Bryan Motorsports to get my tire stickers on, this is in the parking lot. I don't know what this is, but I guarantee you this thing gets on down, whatever this is. Golly. That's nice. That's nice. It's yours?
No, it's not mine. I got Camaro.
Oh, okay.
I wish. This thing's cool.
Man, that's what I'm like, what is this? Like a little dragster or something?
Oh, yeah.
I already know this bad boy get down. I'm telling y'all, this truck right here was sitting right at Bryan Motorsports. I wondered if that thing run. It made it up here. I mean, that bad boy run. Come in the back. They ain't playing with you, man. This little thing is not playing with you. Whatever this little thing is. Ooh. This thing right here. Oh. I don't know what it is, y'all. But what they say right there, it's kind of dark, but can y'all see that? Mopar. So what they tell you? We looking at a Mopar. Ain't that something? I don't even know what that is, but I know that bad boy get down. Look at the lineup this time. We got the Pontiac GTO. That's nice. That is too nice, man. And look what we got here. Soon as we get here, what we pull up on this time, y'all? A Mopar Charger RT. Man, that's nice. That's nice, huh? It is too nice. An old school Charger right here, y'all. RT. Back in this day, it was one of the fastest things on the road. One of the fastest. Man, ain't this nice, man? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. We got right here what they say look like Galaxy 500. All right. I like this too though. This too. That's nice. Nice, man. We got here old school shit. I'm loving it, ain't you? How you doing? Love your car. '56 Chevy. That is too nice. Oh my God, that is nice. I wouldn't mind having these in my garage. Just to pull out on a Sunday afternoon for a nice little ride. Look at the wheels on that thing, man. I love old school wheels. Dang. We got here, what we got here? Like this too though. Thunderbird. Old school Thunderbird. Old school Thunderbird, that's what that is. Look at that thing in the front again. I ain't never seen no old school Thunderbird before. That's nice. It's old school right here. Nice. This came out around the time I was born. So some of y'all that might know what year this car is, I ain't gonna tell you. It might give you a good idea of what my age is. Some of y'all car fanatics, they might know. Man, paint job, man, killing. Man, this paint job killing. Love it, this man. Chevrolet gonna show up every time. Every time. Do your boy like that. Now this truck right here. Come on. Come on. Bet you can't keep up with that. Bet you can't keep up with that. Well, look at here, y'all. Look at here. What we got now. How y'all doing? So that was the old school Charger RT we just got through looking at earlier. Well, this is the up-to-date Challenger RT right here, 5.7. Look at it. Oh man. But like I said, this is not the one I wanted. The one I wanted is the 6.4. This is a 5.7. I want the 6.4, which is the 392 for the Scat Pack. But this is nice though. This is too nice. Or catch can again by RT. Well, they done crunk them old schools up. Go on, do a burnout. Nova thing. It's it. Listen to that. Listen to that. Man, yes. A Mach 1. That's a Mach 1 right there, y'all. Woo. Listen to it. Listen to it. Other SS 396. big old orange block. It's too nice. But it don't get too much more original than that right there, y'all. It do not get any more original than that. Look at that. Come on, man. Ooh. Nice. That Corvette nice, man. Move on around this way a little bit. Move on around this way. Listen to that 5.0. Whoop. Don't hit it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at that, man. That's too nice. Old school Cadillac. Look at this. The gold mango orange. Oh my God. It's Z28, man. Look at that. Exact same color my car. Look at the interior, man. Come on. They keep feeling his hisses out here, though. That bag is right there. I know that thing grabbed. Hey, y'all, I gotta say, but last time, what was it? It was like one Mopar out there. And this time it was like, what, several Mopars out there? Then that Dodge Charger, I actually wanted to get a picture of that Dodge Charger for my thumbnail, but I couldn't because it was like 1,000 people crowding around the car every time I went to go try to take a picture. I'm talking about, I went back 3 or 4 times, and every time it was people crowded around their car. Why? Because everybody loves a Mopar. Everybody loves a Mopar. Then I had no clue that little dragster I seen at Bryan Motorsports, where I got my tire stickers on, I had no clue that was a Mopar. That's a Mopar. I had no clue. So I already know that thing gets on down. But that's a wrap for this video, man. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And, oh yeah, gotta tell y'all, when you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell, because I had a couple of people to tell me that they didn't get notified when the video came out. And it's probably because you gotta hit that notification bell. So subscribe and hit that notification bell, because the next video I got coming out is a performance mod. Something that's gonna make juice a whole lot faster. And I guarantee you gonna wanna see this and know what this is. I ain't gonna tell you right now. You just gonna have to stay tuned and find out. So like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know. So, until next time, be great, drive fast, and God bless America, because we need it.